Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. We're focusing on an essential topic for homeowners in Scotts Valley, CA, water heater diagnostics. Maintaining your water heater is crucial for comfort, efficiency, and safety. In this post, we'll discuss why regular diagnostics are important, common water heater issues, and tips for keeping your system in top shape. Experiencing inconsistent water temperatures or unusual noises? At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we specialize in comprehensive water heater diagnostics in Scotts Valley, CA. Why choose Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for water heater diagnostics? Skilled technicians. Our experienced technicians are trained to diagnose all types of water heaters, from traditional tank models to the latest tankless systems. With their extensive knowledge, they can quickly identify the root cause of any issue. Advanced diagnostic tools. We use state-of-the-art diagnostic tools and techniques to thoroughly assess your water heater. This allows us to pinpoint problems accurately and provide effective solutions. Comprehensive assessments. Our diagnostic services cover all aspects of your water heater, including the thermostat, heating elements, anode rod, and overall system performance. We leave no stone unturned to ensure your water heater is in optimal condition. Customer-centric service. We prioritize our customers' needs and satisfaction. Our team will explain the diagnostic findings clearly, offer transparent recommendations, and ensure you understand the next steps for repair or maintenance. Our service areas include Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Aptos, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Watsonville, Cupertino, Morgan Hill, San Jose, Santa Clara, Sunnyvale, Mountain View, and Los Altos Hills, CA. You'll find us conveniently located at 736 Scotts Valley Drive, Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Contact us today at 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/scotts-valley-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/